Cruzada and his family members. Oh, Paulo Cruzada, I say again, do not harass Teacher May. Teacher May is already retired. How would I say that Teacher May Tiburcio is already retired? Of course, it's in the source of Paulo Cuba. You ask Sir Paulo Cuba, why does Teacher May Tiburcio is already retired? Of course, she is already retired. She's in age. How old was Teacher May Tiburcio? 55. Oh. Paulo Cruzada, here's my criticism against you and your family. Apologize to Teacher May. You know, I just want to tell to Mrs. Marion Cruzada and Mr. Kulas Cruzada, to the parents of Paulo Cruzada, you need to apologize. For me, I never want to make enemies with Teacher May. And I criticize Gina Sejo and Jeffrey Sejo. I say to them, do not attack Teacher May, do not harass Teacher May, do not bash Teacher May Tiburcio in online, even in Messenger. Do not bash her. You know me, I never want to bash Teacher May. Teacher May is already retired. Oh, Teacher May is already retired. She's in overwhelmed age. She's already overwhelmed age. How old was Teacher May? 55. Oh, because I think that Paulo Cruzada.
I have to say, strange.
Okay, you better to think. Just like I said before, Teacher May is already overwhelmed age. You know that, Paulo Cruzada. Even Paula Colin Nunez criticized Teacher May. Teacher May is your teacher, Paula Colin Nunez. Like I said to you, Tita Sita Nunez, respect Paula. That she always be stubborn with Teacher May. Teacher May said so. You always say you're slow. Ang bagal mo, Paula. O, bagal ka magsupilyo. O, just apologize. In, go. Just apologize to Teacher May. You know, Paula Nunez. I know if I want to criticize you, I don't want to criticize you. You need to apologize to Teacher May. Look at Angelo Luna. When he throw eyeglasses of Teacher May, he apologized. He apologized to Teacher May. He throw eyeglasses in the toilet. And at this time, in year 2022, when he met Rowena Guanzon, Angelo Luna had met Rowena Guanzon. He requested an iPhone 13, that new cell phone. As well as Angelo Luna had learned his consequence for what he did to Teacher May. Because I know he apologized. Me, I learned how to apologize to Teacher May when I hurt her, when I punch her in the head. That means in Tagalog word ko, binatukan ko sa ulo ni Teacher May. That's a word. I know this is my fault, what I did to Teacher May, for my psychological distress. And I know, I just want to apologize to Teacher May. Teacher May Tiburcio had already forgive me. Oh, it's simple. It's simple, Paulo Cruzada. You need to apologize. Sincerely. Don't you even know that Teacher May has caring to all of us while you were there in CDIFI? She has a YouTube video. Oh, she has a YouTube video, Reese 825. Oh, that's a video of Teacher May. She always caring at us. You know, like me, I respect Teacher May. Because I say to my mom, oh, do you know what I said before? That Teacher May Tiburcio is already retired. That was came from the source, from Sir Paulo Cuva. I've been talk with Sir Paulo Cuva in Messenger way back 2021. He shared me a rumor that Teacher May is going to be retired very soon. Oh, I said it myself. I said it to Sir Paulo Cuva. Oh, you know that. You know, Paulo Cruzada, with all respect, when Jordan Pilapil said to you, Jordan Pilapil unfriended you in Facebook, and even Buddy Castro had unfriended you in Facebook, even my other friends from CDIFI, they had unfriended you in Facebook, especially Wawel. Look at me, Paulo Cruzada. Do me and Wawel Romero attack Teacher May? No. Wawel Romero respect Teacher May. Me, I respect Teacher May because that time, she is my teacher. Oh. For the past of decades, my arch enemy, Gina Sedjo. Second is Teacher Gemma, my arch enemy. Third is Teacher Honey. Fourth is Teacher Maxi. When Lawrence Villawan had arrived in CDIFI in year 2006, and I was with Joshua Cruz Titoy. 2007, I was with um 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 with Teacher Marisa. Oh, but 2006 I was with Lawrence Villawan and John Garcia, of course. 2007 Teacher Marisa. Oh. Teacher Maxi, Teacher Marisa, that's all the past. 2008 I was with Teacher Jessa Fernandez, my former enemy, and my fellow diehard Duterte supporter, Teacher Jessa Fernandez. And 2009, Teacher Lendel. And 2010, Teacher Lendel. 2011, Teacher Joy. 2012, Teacher Joy again. 2013, Teacher May. Oh, many times I've been with Teacher May's class. How many years? 2013 until 2020. Oh, you know, Paulo Cruzada, respect Teacher May. Have mercy to that person. Maawa ka sa tao, like I said. You know, I just want to tell to Bill Galang that Teacher May is already retired. Oh, I asked Bill Galang, I talked to him in Messenger last year. Kamusta na si Teacher May? He said to me, mabuti naman, retired na nga po. Oh, she's retired. Paulo Cruzada, don't harass the people who were retired. Oh, what will be happen if Lorraine Shook is retired? Oh, her cousins will be take over the carousel production of Miss Earth. Oh, and like I said, my friend, my opinion was Paulo Cruzada and Gina Sedjo and your family members of Gina Sedjo and the family members of Paulo Cruzada. Lecture Paulo Cruzada and Gina Sedjo, even that her son Jeffrey Asedjo You know, Mr. Asedio, you're a husband of Jean Asedio. I just want to say to Jean Asedio's husband, just reprimand your wife attitude. Even that your son's attitude. For attacking at Teacher May, Joseph Maspinas. They don't like toxicity. Even I'm saying, when I troll Paulo Cruzada, when I troll Teacher Gina Sejo, when I accusing them, they are not writing to harass Teacher May. That is not writing to bash Teacher May. She's already retired. Because she's already retired. Alright? She has bonding with her nephew, Rafael. She has bonding with her niece, Isabella. And you just stop bullying Teacher May, Paulo Cruzada, and Gina Sejo. How both of you never respect Teacher May? You know, Teacher May, she's just like Ate Mirasol. Teacher May Tiburcio, she's just like Ate Mirasol also. I describe, she's just like Nanay Ningning, She's very kind, very thoughtful, mabait yan siya sa akin, that's a word, she's very kind. Teacher May, when I seen her in person, she makes, in masquerade party in 2017, I was king of the night. Teacher May gave me a t-shirt, the red one. Teacher May gave me a bottle during my birthday last 2018. You're being jealousy, Paulo Cruzada. And even Gina Asedio and Jeffrey Asedio. All of you are very jealousy at Teacher May, especially me. Puro kayo inggit. Just like I said. For me, I say to Paulo Cruzada, don't be such a jealousy. Like me, I'm not jealousy at Cedric because his blog and arts and drawing are talented. He has a talent. Like you, Paulo Cruzada, you don't have mercy to Teacher May. In Christmas party, I have a red t-shirt. You're very jealousy that she gave me a red t-shirt. 2015. Because I never want to tell that to Kuya Copio, that I was a Marcos loyalist. I'm not Marcos loyalist anymore. I was being scammed. You know that, Paulo Cruzada. Have respect with Teacher May. Don't do that to Teacher May in the first place, because over the years, Paulo Cruzada, if your parents have died, who will taking care of you? Teacher May will not accept you to go in her house. Me, I want to accept to go in her house with Teacher May. I want to visit at her house. In Cainta, Rizal. But Bill Galang knows the address of Teacher May. When he visited in Antipolo Church, in Cainta, it's not good to harass Teacher May. Have mercy to the person. Because, Paulo Cruzada, don't be such a jealousy. Don't be such a jealousy at Teacher May. Just like that. Don't be such a jealousy. Like, for example, you remember Kuya Rodelio Daguman in the past, when he make jealousy at Cedric? Kuya Rodelio Daguman is no longer to be jealousy at Cedric. All he has to do is to stop fighting at Cedric. He's focusing the work. That's always to do. That jealousy anyway, it's not really good to make good manners. Just like for you, Paulo Cruzada. Like me, I'm not jealousy at Teacher May. Oh, if she goes to Taiwan, I appreciate. Oh, you should learn about appreciation. For you, Gina Sergio, if your husband divorce you, who will taking care of you if your mother died? Oh, your daughter will go somewhere. Oh, together with your eldest son, Kyle Asejo. You know, Gina Asejo and Jeffrey Asejo, like mother and son. Please, both of you, just stop harassing Joseph Maspinas. And especially Teacher May. They have nothing to do anything against both of you. Alright? They are nothing. You know, for me, I don't want to make enemies with Teacher May. Oh. Because I know Teacher May reprimand Yvette. Oh, what does Teacher May said? So, Yvette, tagalin mo yung video mo. Oh, that's just like I said. Eh, nandun pala yung birthday ni Ellie. Oh. Si Beth apologized to Teacher May. Ay, sorry po. Oh. It's simple. For me, when I heard Teacher May, when I smack in her head, na binatukan ko rin siya, like I said, I apologize Teacher May sincerely. Oh. When I write the letter, I say to Teacher May, I am no longer to study in CDIFI anymore. I am done. I want to stop studying. I want to leave the CDIFI because I am done of this this tyranny, of this corruption. That CDIFI was owned by Martin Romualdez and Bongbong Marcos, of course. It was created by Marcos Sr. At least Teacher May had accepted it. Oh. And I stopped studying in CDIFI way back 2019. And then I write a letter. I apologize to Teacher May sincerely. Oh. And now Teacher May Tiburcio become anti-Marcos. She's really anti-Marcos. Oh, we discussed that in Civica. About the historical revisionism against Marcoses. I hope Mami Ellen Olea will listen to Teacher May Tiburcio. Oh, just like I said, yeah, I know Teacher May Tiburcio is anti-Marcos. Oh, I hope there are lots of jealousy who are Marcos loyalists. Kuya Dan Mardayaw and Kuya Kopio. You know that. You know what I'm saying to Paulo Cruzada? If you want to be a Marcos loyalist, if you want to be an ISIS wannabe, please do not attack Teacher May. Teacher May is fighting against terrorism like ISIS. Teacher May Tiburcio, she is a pro Duterte. She is a pro Tatay Digong. Oh. Teacher May, is she always staring at us? Oh. When she upload the YouTube video, the documentary of Teacher Evelyn, that means Teacher May is always staring at us. It's not good to harass Teacher May. Teacher Gina Asejo, Jeffrey Asejo, Paulo Cruzada. It's not nice. Like I said, you know, I've been talking with Clarence Barredo and Lawrence Villawan. Hindi po maganda ma-bash kay Teacher May. Hindi maganda yon. You know, it's really hurt. Nakakasakit yon. That's why. You know, Teacher May, she is my long-time teacher. Since 2013 until 2020. I've been stopped studying in CDIFI. I've been kicked out with CDIFI. I've been expulsion in CDIFI. When Teacher May had left the CDIFI, she's in the house. Oh. And that's what I say to Paulo Cruzada. She's in the house.